Antenna length is a very important factor that can influence the distance of communication in traffic. Thus, the longer the antenna, the longer the range. The CB PNI ML145 antenna has a length of 145 centimeters. The maximum communication distance of 15 kilometers is reached in ideal working condition. Calibrated antenna, open field without obstacles, the station with maximum legally allowed power of 4 watt and with a standard reception. The performance of the product is closely related to the technical characteristics of the antenna in ideal conditions of installation and use. SWR minor or equal to 1, maximum power applied for a short time 400 watt, impedance 50 ohms, stainless steel, etc.